Good morning, students. I am back again to discuss with you the consolidated worksheet of lesson 1 and lesson 2. We have already done the objective type questions in the previous video, and now we are going to do one word answer and answer in short. Our first question is, name 2 food items rich in proteins. Pulses, milk, meat, egg, fish are all sources of protein. You can write any 2 of them. Soybean is the richest source of protein amongst the pulses. Second, deficiency of which vitamin causes rickets? Answer is vitamin D. It is the only vitamin which can be produced by the skin in presence of sunlight. Third, name a disease that can spread through direct contact with a patient. So you can write influenza, cough and cold, and at present COVID-19 is going on. It is also spread through direct contact with the patient. That is why it is said not to go out and maintain a safe distance from people. Fourth, name a hooked seed that gets stuck on the animal's skin. Answer is xanthium. Fifth, name 2 seeds dispersed by water. So the plants which are growing either in water or nearby water bodies, their seeds are dispersed through water. Example can be water lily and coconut. Name the parts of seed. There are 3 main parts of seed. Outermost part is seed coat. Cotyledon is the middle part, and the baby plant which is present between the cotyledon called as embryo. Now we'll do the next question. Answer in short. Question number A is, define seed germination. So the process by which seed grows into a baby plant in presence of water, air and sunlight is called as seed germination. B, what are the conditions required for seed germination? The air, moisture and suitable temperature are the conditions required for germination of seed. Next question is, what is vaccination? Vaccination is a technique to develop the ability of the body to fight against diseases. Last question, what should we do to stop mosquito breeding? Mosquito breeding means when the population of mosquitoes goes on increasing, it is mosquito breeding. So what can we do? Breeding of mosquitoes must be prevented by spraying insecticides in open drain and stagnant water. खुले हुए पानी में, सड़ते हुए पानी में मच्छर एग अंडे देते हैं, which grows into larva, and these larvae, when they become adult, then they become adult mosquito, which can cause disease like dengue, malaria and chikungunya. I hope you have understood all the questions and you will be able to solve the worksheet easily. So solve the worksheet, enjoy the day and keep safe. Bye and take care of yourself.